Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video, as you can see, is going to be a very sultry, very sexy pumpkin, scarecrow, fall leaves, chai tea latte, pumpkin iced, pumpkin hot coffee latte inspired makeup look. Obviously, this is like fall all over. Even the orange on the waterline is like fall appropriate. So I really wanted to recreate the look that I was wearing in my last video. You guys seem to absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you how to get this full beat if you guys are going to go out with like your friends or your man. And maybe you guys are going to go to like a maze or I don't know, somewhere, and you want to take cute pictures next to like pumpkins or something. This is totally the look that I would rock. So we're going to be using the palettes that we got in our last BoxyCharm. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palettes. I am obsessed with this palette right now. It is so good. So my back is hurting because I've been filming forever. So with that said, if you guys enjoy these types of videos and makeup tutorials, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your little bell notification so you never miss any videos from me. I upload every Monday, Makeup Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make sure you stay tuned. And with that said, let's jump right into this hair and makeup tutorial. I'm going to start by priming with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Especially if you're going to go out somewhere, this primer really is like the one to go to because it gets a little bit tacky and it just really grips onto your foundation, and so it's not going to go anywhere all day. For my foundation, I am going to take the Clinique Even Better Refresh Hydrating and Repairing Makeup. This one right here has been my go-to for the past like week and a half. I am the shade 54 Honey Wheat. I actually got this for free at Ulta because I recently became a Diamond member from, you know, like when you spend so much money or whatever. And so I got this for free and I was like, oh, okay. Why not? So we're just going to blend that in with our little beauty blender. I'm going to mix both honey and golden from LA Colors. These are super amazing concealers. If you guys haven't seen my review that went up last week, I will have a little card that you can click on. But oh my god, when I tried this concealer, I was like obsessed with it and still am. It's definitely been like my go-to for the past few days. Do you guys see how like easily and effortlessly this concealer blends? And it does dry down to a matte finish, so that's why it's like even better. Quickly going to set my makeup with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Setting Powder. This one is really good. I like to use this one specifically when my skin is like super dry. Right now we're experiencing a little bit of like a colder weather here in Utah. And so my skin has been drying out a little bit more than normal. So when my skin is dry, like I said, I usually bring this baby out because I like how it sets the skin, but I also like that it doesn't like dry up all my oil from my skin, because some powders just leave my skin looking like a viejita, like toda arrugada. What I did is I took a little bit of my setting powder and I just applied it right here just so it can create a really like sharp line without the tape, because the tape for me is a little too harsh. So for my eye primer, I'm going to take this Revolution Pro Eye Elements in the shade Core. This is very similar to the MAC Paint Pot. We're just going to apply this as our primer. The palette that I'm going to use today is this one by Violet Voss. It is the Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. This one came in a BoxyCharm. I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon, which is this one right here. And this is a little swatch. If you guys don't have this palette, if you guys have any like deep burnt brown with like red undertones, the ABH Sienna shade is very similar to this. go into the shade Terracotta, which is this color right here. It's just a really pretty, like, true orange. This shade is like literally in almost every palette. And again, if you don't have this palette, another one that I just thought of that you could use to recreate this look is the 35 or the 3502 from Morphe. And I'm just going to apply this right on top of that shade just to help us diffuse it even better. Now that everything is nice and blended, I'm going to go back to the palette and I'm going to take the shade Black. Literally, that's what it's called. It's called Black, and I'm just literally laying this on the outermost corner, the lowest part of the eye, because I don't want to make it too smoky, but I do want to create enough smokiness for it to be a sultry look, you know what I mean? Right where your socket is, this is where my socket is, that is where I am going to leave it at. I'm not going to take it up any higher because then it's going to look too drastic and too dramatic, and I'm not really going for that. I mean, this is dramatic, but you know what I mean. Then make sure that you also follow the line and swoop it in, so almost like creating a wing liner. Just taking it a little bit more and bringing it a little bit more in. I'm probably stopping about halfway. Now I'm going to go back with this brush. This is the one that I used for the orange, but I'm just going to clean it off a little bit. And I'm just going to use this to blend the black in a little bit more. And as you can see, we have a nice straight line, but without it being too like harsh. Now that everything is blended to my liking, I'm going to go back to my eye primer and we're going to do a cut crease. I'm going to take a little flat brush and I'm going to go in with the bronzy shade first. Since my lids are still tacky, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to make sure that there is no creasing. Then I'm going to go into that true gold. And I'm just going to concentrate this into the inner parts of the eye. Now you just want to go back with your palettes, take the shade Cinnamon, and pretty much do the same steps to create that super smoked out effect. Boom! Now you have a nice smoked out fall appropriate makeup look. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer and I'm going to take this little Tarte's Clay Play and I'm going to take the shade Terracotta. This has been like my go-to bronzer. It's just so pretty and it's so easy to like just access because you have eyeshadows in here and then you have your bronzer. So I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth. For my highlights, I am going to use, I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I got a PR package from Mercier. They sent these face illuminators. This is in the shade Addiction. Oh, that is so pretty. It looks like silk. And this one is in the shade Indiscretion. I think I'm going to take the gold one and then maybe top this one off. I'm going to take these lashes by Eylure. These are the Marquise lashes. I didn't do this last time, but I think I'm going to add a little bit of orange in the waterline. I just really want to make it pumpkin-y, fall-y, leafy, all that stuff. Really quickly, I'm just going to take these two lipsticks. You can totally wear a lip gloss, but I kind of like the look of a matte lip with this look because it is so like bold on the eyes. So I'm just going to take this NYX Line and Load Never Listen liquid lipstick with the ColourPop Shayla collab in Slow Down. The NYX Line and Load is just to line my lips, and then the other one is to like fill it in. Let's get on with this quick hair tutorial. So my hair is a dirty girl, like dirty. This is, I don't even know, 3rd, 4th day hair, something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to part my hair. I think I'm going to part it. I think I'm going to part it here. And I'm just going to draw or pull the line all the way back. Now that I have that, I'm just going to comb my hair, make sure it's nice and flat. And I'm just going to pull it down in a semi-low pony. That looks about where I want it. My ponies are never perfect, like ever. They're always all crazy and lopsided. So that's where I'm going to put it, and then I'm going to grab my ponytail and just tie it. I'm going to show you guys a really good product. I was having a hard time using it at first, but now that I got the hang of it, I really like it. This is the Finishing Hair Cream. This is by the brand called Sleek Feels, and this stuff is no joke. Like if you have a lot of stray hairs, or if you have a lot of like little just baby hairs that don't want to stay down and you don't know how to keep them down, this product is going to be amazing for you. Or if you like to like slay your hair, your little baby hair. So I'm going to take a little bit. It looks like a mascara wand. I am going to take this hair and I'm just going to sleek it down. This literally will hold every single little hair. It is insane. And then I just take an old toothbrush and I'll just sleek it even more, just to like push it down. And that is it, you guys. This is the look that I wore last time that you guys seem to love. I think I did a better job this time with like diffusing the colors and everything like that. So I also hope you guys enjoyed this mini like pony hair tutorial. It's really easy and I love wearing my hair in a pony when it is like hella dirty. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. Let me know what you guys want to see next for the upcoming weeks. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye you guys.